Have you ever wondered just how much money you've spent on homeowners insurance? Maybe you've thought about how great it would be to have a policy where you could just get all that money back. Why not? Well, you can. Here to tell us more about perpetual insurance is Greg Marsh of Baltimore Equitable Insurance. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Happy to have you here. It does sound too good to be true, but I want you to tell us what exactly is perpetual insurance.
Perpetual insurance is a never-ending policy. So with other homeowners insurance companies, it's a set term, and as long as you pay that bill, you have insurance. You pay that bill every month, every year, and as long as you pay that bill, you have the insurance. Perpetual insurance is a one-time upfront deposit, and when you no longer want that policy or need that policy, you get all your money back.
So what's in it for the insurance company then?
Well, the insurance company uses that money, and we use that money to pay claims, just like any other insurance company. We invest that money, and that investment for us is what keeps the lights on, keeps us in business.
So it makes sense when you break it down like that. For a person who is considering perpetual insurance, why is it important to make sure that you're really doing your research about what company you go with?
Absolutely, and that's a great question. So Baltimore Equitable Insurance is regulated by the Maryland Insurance Commissioner, just like any other insurance company that does business in the state of Maryland. And Baltimore Equitable does business in Maryland and Pennsylvania. But you want to make sure that when you're paying a premium or you're paying that bill, that heaven forbid, if you have a claim, you want to make sure that
they're paying it.
Absolutely.
Especially if it's perpetual insurance and you're paying that up front. So what sorts of coverage do you offer then?
We do homeowners, condo, renters, and we do investment property as long as it's not in a business name.
So basically you're covering the majority of types of properties that
Absolutely.
you have. All right, so for clients who do say that this is too good to be true, I mean, I sort of said it at the top of our interview.
Sure.
What do you say to them?
We've been in business since 1794. We just celebrated 225 years. We are the second oldest insurance company in the United States, and we are the oldest business in Baltimore City.
Wow.
So you should get all your money back. You know, and it's the joke. Everyone thinks, well, okay, I need insurance, but they don't fully understand the policy. And that's where we come in. That's our job, is to educate consumers. And you should get all your money back.
Yeah. I mean, I think we never think that we will ever get our money back with insurance. It's just sort of like, you hope you don't need it, and it's your safety net. But for a policy like this, it really is interesting. And I know that people could be watching, have some questions. You wanted to add something.
There's no gimmicks. There's no tricks. It fully is what you see is what you get.
So you are offering a free personal inventory list to Midday Maryland viewers, right?
Yep.
So they just have to call your office. That number is 410-727-1794. Otherwise, they can send you an email directly to the address on your screen right there. So that's helpful, because if people are, have any questions or want to get some more information, they can do it that way.
And the personal inventory list is designed that in the event of a claim, you can give that to your insurance company, whether it be us or whomever, and it helps settle a claim much faster.
Great. So yeah, it does. It makes a lot of sense to have that on the front end before you're scrambling to try and remember all the stuff that you had. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Really interesting information. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.